I know it's probably really unhealthy, but a sugar-topped, a cinnamon roll, okay? With my coffee is really tasty. And you know what? I've got one right here next to me, and I'm gonna draw it today as well. I got my hot coffee, got a little cream in it, got the cinnamon roll, got my pencils. Here we go. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.